we have papers published, in Chinese journals, and we also have somewhat, 10 million RMB level, there's a huge project, research project, implemented with regard to, sonar, geoengineering, sonar radiation, modification. So that, we have research, we have, discussion, we have publications, and then, at the, policy arena, I think that, some of the, the decision makers or policy makers are aware of such an option. And then, for, actual application, I think that, there is no sufficient information. There is no, actual, so-called, urgency, to take such an option. Everything, from an idea to research and to implementation, and then that takes a long term. Just look at, global, like, greenhouse gases, global warming, and FCCC, Kyoto, Paris Agreement. It's a long process, yes. Quite a few decades, if not centuries. So, I think that, our knowledge is limited, and, we need to go step by step and see, when further information available, further scientific understanding, is clear, and then I think that, we can go further and further. So everything, I think that there's no need to make a decision in a hurry. For actual application, I think that, it'll take a longer time, but for research, we do need to follow some principles, or to follow some guidelines. Otherwise, just like, the embryo, gene, human gene modification, right? This is something, not only unethical, there's a huge uncertainty. Because of such uncertainty, because of limited understanding, we need to, have a governance structure created, agreed, so that, people can do research, undertake an experiment in the right way, in the right manner, so that risk can be minimized and the uncertainty can be brought under control. So governance is an issue that should go, in advance